Dr. Kristen Jacobs from Ooh La La Spa, Anti-Aging and Wellness, and I'm on my holiday shopping tour, even though I'm in my building. And I have one of my favorite people, Kurt Rickhoff, and I was actually introduced to you, 6-7 years ago now?
Early on, shortly after I think you moved in
Okay,
here.
so probably 7-8
right?
years ago, and a very, very wise woman told me to contact him to be our accountant. So if you're looking for an amazing group to work with, I don't get the boss anymore. I get Tom, which I love Tom. Tom, I hope you're not watching that. I'm talking you're not as good as him. But anyway, if you need a great accounting service, this is who we go to. And actually, you do payroll. You do our payroll as well. So he contacted me, said, I want to donate into this lovely holiday gift basket, and this is what he brought us. So we have a great mug. I'm just going to say, he said, this is the COVID survival kit. And so there may be a little couple of things that go along with this to help us get through these times. There's also some hand sanitizer and, of course, the mask, because we all need those. You've got a phone charger and a nice little pen. So we are adding this to the already beautiful gift basket that, remember, is from all of our local businesses that support us, and we support them. And we are just encouraging everybody to shop local. I've been doing all the talking. Do you have anything that you want to add?
No, I loved it. When I saw what you were doing, I really wanted to be a part of it because I love to shop local because the small businesses have been decimated this year and really hurt the most through 2020.
Right.
So I love the theme, the mission of it, so I wanted to be a part of it. We love working with you as well.
Thank you.
One of our favorites as well. So
Thank
it's
you.
been a treat over the last 7-8 years.
Well,
sure.
thank you. We love it. So again, if you want to get this basket, all of the instructions are in the post, or call Steph and she'll tell you how to do it. But if you need any kind of accounting services, please give them a call, Rickhoff and Associates. And remember, shop local this holiday season, but always. Thank you so much.